What's up, guys? And today is a different kind of video. It's one of many, but it is an unboxing / review video. Now, this product is a little weird, some people would think. I love joking about it, just because I heard it on a podcast. I said, I'm a hairy guy. This should be interesting. So, went online. I used a promo code to get 15% off. And I picked up Manscaped. Now, if you don't know what Manscaped is, it is trimmers for body hair. And right now, open the box up. First time opening, you can tell. Right on top, you got additional products you might like. Little razor. You got the cologne, the foot duster, the crop cleanser, and the crop mop. Pretty interesting. The packaging in this is very nice. Now this is funny, so your balls will thank you. It comes in just like that, packaged in like that. Very entertaining, to say the least. See what all comes in it. Alright, so you have a bag. It says Manscaped on it. Looks really cool. What is inside the bag? It is a charge block, a guard. Oh, gotta do that. A little black bag. What's in the back bag? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Looks to be a charge port cord, a brush to clean them off, and that's big. What is this? The charge stand. That's pretty cool right there. Can't complain about that. The package that I got came with, I got the Lawnmower 3.0, which is their newest version that just came out. With my package, I got the Crop Preserver, which is ball deodorant. That's pretty interesting. Active pH control, made without sulfates, dyes, and it's good on general skin. The Crop Reviver, Crop Reviver. It is a ball toner. Like I said, this is going to be an interesting video, guys. And the Lawnmower 3.0. Now, they basically say in their ad promotions, no nicks, no cuts. If you get nicked or cut, you can return it for a free full refund. Now, I'm going to tell you a little story. It's a weird story. Men, through the years, have manscaped. And they've used anything from straight razors to the corded hair clippers, everything like that. And you boys, well, you guys know what happens if they're gentle. And you don't want to catch your manhood on some clippers. It's a nightmare. Those are your happy people. You don't want to mess with those. So that was what was on top. what it also came with was the Manscaped travel bag. Take it in, put your stuff in it, get all your dainties. Now this one's funny, okay? I saw this and I laughed. This, if I'm not mistaken, is your catching paper in a sense. Yeah. So basically what you do, you put that underneath you. It's a newspaper. It's pretty funny. That's hilarious. There's also things to read on it. But you put that underneath you, catch all the hairs. And then there was one thing left in the box. Like, presentation wise, this is amazing. I'm absolutely thrilled with the presentation. Your balls, and thank you. I am not sponsored in no way by this video. I paid full price, or, well, other than the promo code that I used, I paid the price of the box to get it here. They also sent me Manscaped underwear. That's pretty nice. I always like some underwear, I ain't gonna lie. Also came with an instruction manual. Hopefully this instruction manual says, hey, don't cut your nuts. But, I guess the last thing to do is test it out. I'm not going to take y'all along for that ride because I don't think anybody wants to truly go along for the ride. It also says, it shows you the proper way to do it. Don't hold them this way, hold them this way. So that's even better because that means, hey, I shouldn't snag my stuff. So I love the presentation of the box. The box is amazing. All the items look very good quality. I love this bag. This bag is amazing. This travel bag is phenomenal. Just presentation wise, all around top notch. I'm actually quite excited to try these. Let's see. And also apparently the sound of these is nothing loud like the other trimmers. Hear that? You know, that's nothing. Like, that's not loud at all. And it's got a light on it, so you can, I guess if you're in the dark, you can see where you're going. Yeah, phenomenal, phenomenal. I'm not no qualms about this. So, I'm gonna go try this out, and I'm gonna tell you if I guess if I got snagged. I don't know, but stay tuned. So, I just got done using the Lawnmower 3.0 from Manscaped. And, you know, I get real nervous because I am one of those guys that's had one of these hair clippers attached to me before. So, anytime you're around, your boys, you don't want to hurt them. And from using it, and using the deodorant and the spritzer, because I had to try it all, I give it 2 thumbs up. Amazing product. Very easy to use. Very easy to use. So I give my 2 thumbs, seal of approval to the Lawnmower 3.0 by Manscaped. Be sure to go to www.manscaped.com, and gentlemen, treat yourself. Your balls will thank you.